Can robots scrape content from a site accessible only to subscribers?
Only if it's not blocked at the server level. Okay, so a lot of times you might say, okay, well, there's no access to it, right? And so, or it's not indexed. Maybe you're not indexing it, so Google can't find it. But just because it's not indexed, it doesn't mean they can't find other links to like your login and follow those kind of things. So typically speaking, membership things that are gonna be behind a firewall of sorts or behind a login are not accessible to any of the robots because they're not accessible to from the server level. So that's really what it comes down to. As long as your server level access is in place with its passwords and so on, a robot can't get at it. Good or bad. Like, Google's not going to go anywhere you tell them not to go. They don't want to waste their time or your crawl budget. The bad bots will go wherever they can find, right? They'll follow any link they can find. They go wherever they can. So you got to make sure you lock down your site, make sure you lock down your server and anything that's behind a membership area that, hey, nobody can get into it without knowing that username and password.